Want to take your chest growth to the next level? Let's dive into the 5 best chest exercises that are guaranteed to give you size, strength, and definition. First up, the bench press, the king of all chest exercises. This classic move targets the entire chest, helping you build raw strength and size. Focus on proper form, keep your feet planted, back slightly arched, and control the bar as you press up and down. This one's an absolute must for chest gains. Next, we have the Incline dumbbell press. This exercise is a game changer for building your upper chest, giving it that full, rounded look. Set the bench to a 30 to 45 degree angle and push through with controlled reps. Don't forget to squeeze your chest at the top. To complete your chest development, add the Decline bench press to your routine. It focuses on your lower chest, carving out that impressive lower pec line. A solid move for a balanced chest physique. Looking for definition? The dumbbell fly is perfect for stretching and isolating the chest. This move opens up your chest muscles for a greater range of motion, building shape and symmetry. Remember to control the weights for maximum results. Finally, finish strong with the cable crossover. This is the ultimate exercise to add that final pump to your chest. Focus on squeezing your chest at the bottom of each rep for a killer contraction and a massive pump. Want to unlock a full week's chest routine? Check out the video on the left. Looking to build powerful arms? Click the one on the right. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tips on building your dream physique. See you in the next video.